Hey, good afternoon. Ted RV Guy Tatum here from South Hill RV Sales in beautiful Puyallup, Washington. Just got the brand new 2020 2104S Rockwood Ultralight in, and we had a few people waiting for it, so I thought I'd throw a quick video down of the layout and the colors, whatnot. We ordered these fully loaded. As you can see, it's going to have the heavy-duty entry step, electric stabilizing jacks, electric front jack, magnetic catches, electric awning with the LED. This is for your TV hookups. Got a quick disconnect on the inside, so you can pop it off, put it on the outside here, plug it into your cable system. The outside barbecue comes with it as well. These are ordered with the climate protection, so it's got the additional heated enclosed underbelly. Boom. So we're in only a 21 footer here. But with that slide out, the huge wraparound booth, it really opens it up. And like I mentioned, we ordered them with all the bells and whistles. As you can see, it's going to have the sound bar, surround sound, flat screen. It's even got a monitor for your tires there, so you can monitor the air pressure in your vehicle. A pretty slick option this year. The Murphy bed setup. Recliners as well. Tons of storage. Rockwood is known to be one of the better built coaches on the road to date. We're so thankful to have them. Double door refrigerator, bigger oven here, tons of storage. Check this out, residential shower, foot pedestal. You got a separate fantastic fan with a ducted AC vent there. Hey guys. Absolutely beautiful. One of our top selling floor plans here. Like I mentioned, seems like we get 2 or 3 in and we sell 3 or 4. That's a good problem to have. Any questions, give us a holler, 253-435-7751. Thanks for watching. Happy camping.